Hello everyone, how are you all? It is Fårúk. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to greet all of you a very happy Republic Day. It is an auspicious day of our life that we celebrate 26 January. The Constitution of India came into force on this day in 1950. Republic Day is our national festival day. We celebrate this day as an Indian and feel proud to be citizens of India. The Constitution is the living spirit of our democracy. The Constitution is the backbone of our country. The Constitution gives all Indians equal rights, privileges and obligations. The Constitution promotes equality and justice to all individuals, irrespective of their caste, color and creed. We are proud of our Tiranga, which is our identity and our honor, which represents our solidarity and love to the country. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said, "A flag is a necessity for all nations. Millions have died for it. It is necessary for us, Indians, Muslims, Christians, Jews, Parsis, and all others to whom India is their home, to recognize a common flag, to live and to die for." Our first Prime Minister of India said, "We are citizens of a great country and we have to live up to that high standard. All of us, to whatever religion we may belong, are equally the children of India with equal rights, privileges and obligations." At last, I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant peace and prosperity to our motherland and to enable us to serve this country with all means. Amin. Jai Hind.